my god. So, we got authentic Model M, authentic PS2, with unfortunately a broken bezel because the people over here aren't particularly careful with vintage computer hardware. Look at that. IBM personal computer. That's also broken. Did a little seek. Good enough. See if it boots. "16 megabytes of memory." Windows 95. It's got a mouse with this. Frickin' complete computer system. Oh, it still has the date. What the fuck? Look at that. There's no Windows key, of course, but it just boots. Frickin' works. Just throw that away.